Hey, Erica here. So today I'm going to show you how to add a new banner to your channel. This is the banner I've had on my channel for about 2 years now. On my Mommy and Me channel. Let's see. I just want to show y'all the banner options first. If I could find them. If you're new to my channel and my videos, you know that I have so many files on my computer and that it's always a chore to find the one I'm looking for. Okay, so I made these last night, but you know, it's something I've been thinking about for a few years now. Someone wanted to tell me that something was grammatically incorrect. I don't care. And my audience doesn't care either. So, I mean, this one is grammatically correct, shopping, beauty, and life. But, I mean, hey, I don't care. And they don't care. So we're not going to care. I'll change it later. But for the purpose of this video, I'm trying to pull it up. Okay, it's not pulling up. Not quick enough. It's moving too slow. Oh, there it is. So that's 1, 2. 1, 2. Isn't that cute? I think I might do something like that for an intro where it swaps on the back. That way it looks like it really changed even though it didn't. A cool little effect there. Okay, I'm done playing with it. So I think I'm going to make it a black background. Yeah. I had done that's branding for somebody else. I had done a little poll in a Facebook group, and everyone was like, yeah, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, or 1, 1, 1, whatever, I can't remember. Basically the one with the black, they were like, it stands out, it really pops, everything pops, you know. So I'm like, oh, cool, yeah, I'll use that one. And I'll just use the combination of the two for the intro, or sometimes I'll use the other one for the intro, you know. So is there a reason it's not popping up when I just saw it? Okay, cool. I was about to say. Alright. So you're gonna, let me go all the way back, even though it wasn't those many steps. So on your channel, you don't even have to click customize channel. You just go up to where you see a little picture icon, click it, upload, or if you have it already in your Google Photos, go for it. Gallery, no. We're not. Okay, so click select picture from your computer. I want this one. And you can see it gets cropped kind of weird on mobile. This is what it looks like on a huge TV. This is what it looks like on desktop. This is what it looks like on mobile. So we can click auto enhance, see what happens. And also, even looking at it here, it never looks like that, which is weird. I don't know why that is. I don't know if YouTube's going to change it. So from looking at it here, I could go back and adjust the size to where on mobile my whole name pops up. But let's see what happens if we adjust the crop just a little bit. So this is basically showing us, you know, on mobile that gets cut off. So after seeing this, I can go ahead and adjust it again. So I'm going to pause y'all for a second. So I've resized the font just a little bit. I'm going to drag it here. Oh, much better. It's awesome. I could perfect it until I just can't, you know, perfect it anymore, but I'm just not going to. I'm just going to leave it just like this. Probably going to adjust the lip size so this strip doesn't get cut off, but we can see how it looks on all devices. Desktop, TV, mobile. On mobile it looks really good, and desktop. Or TV and mobile. I've got to change how it looks on the desktop a little bit. because that's too high up on the eye. So you can just grab the corner, move it up like that. Device preview. Looks slightly better. Auto enhance. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. And yeah, that is my new banner. I'm excited. It looks huge. I wasn't expecting it to be that big on here. So I'll probably go back, make the font even smaller, make the lips even smaller. But yeah, that is it. That's all you have to do. Next video, I'll show you how to make playlists, so your channel can look kind of organized when people first get there. Thanks for watching. Bye.